future bright with options and opportunities, not least of all the opportunity to marry the one that they love. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Michael. Just to let you all know that after the protest, the Sycamore Club have very kindly put on a fundraising barbecue around the corner of the Purdy Kitchen, so I hope you'll all come. There'll be nibbles and DJs, it'll be great. So, as a follow-on from Michael's speech there, we wanted to read something to you. During the week, we received an email noise from a young man who's sitting in the leaving cert. And that young man is called Adon Gregory. He's here today, actually. Where are you, Adon? Are you around?
Brilliant, thank you. Cheers.
Here he is. Would you like that or no?
Video, I'll stick it on YouTube for you.
He wrote a letter to the Irish